Good morning, students. This is a new class session for class 11 commerce, and still a small business chapter is going on, in which I told you about many of topics related to it: features of a small business, role of a small business in rural area, role of a small business in socio and economical development of our country. Now, today I will explain about the problems of a small business in India. As I told you earlier, I told you earlier that the small business is facing a lot of problems in operating their business activities in India. Beforehand, I just recall the small business. A small business is a type of business which is started by the people after investing rupees 5 lakh to 5 crore in India. If they are willing to invest 5 lakh, then it will come under the tiny industries. If the businessman is willing to invest rupees 5 crore, then it will come under the small scale business. If we want to invest more than 5 crore, then ultimately it will come under the medium enterprises. That is why we can say a small business can be defined on the basis of investment made by the businessman. Apart from it, a small business can be defined on the basis of workforce also. A businessman employed more than 50 workers at the time of employment of machinery, then also it comes under the small business. A businessman do not have financial strength to employ machinery in the business, then ultimately he has the right to employ 100 workers in the organization. Then also it comes under the small scale business. And on the basis of production, we can also define the small scale. If the businessman is producing the products at a large scale in the organization, then it will not come under the small scale. It becomes a large scale or medium scale organization. Whereas if the organization is producing less products, then only it comes under the small scale business. So on the basis of investment, on the basis of workforce, on the basis of machinery, on the basis of level of production, we can define the term small business. Now, come to the problems faced by the small business in India. The first one is shortage of fund. As I told you people, government is not providing the permission to small scale businessmen to issue their shares in the capital market, so that ultimately the small business face a lot of financial problems in performing the business activities. Even no any person want to give the money for starting the small scale business, because the businessmen do not have surety that their business will be success or not. That is why the people feel hesitation in investing their money in the business. The people are not comfortable to invest their money. As I told you people, the investment is made by the businessman only, not by the others in that particular type of business. That is why the small business face a lot of problems. The small businessmen do not have assets to be mortgaged and get the financial support from the financial institutions also. That is why whatever fund they have, he has to invest it in the business to operate the business activities. Nobody is providing the guarantee, nobody is ready to invest their money, so that the businessman has to use their sole money to perform the business activities under the small scale. That is why the small business faces a shortage of fund in performing the different financial, different business, different operational activities of the organization. It is a major problem of the small scale. The another one is shortage of raw material and funds. The small business also face the shortage of raw material, because in which suppliers are not ready to provide them raw material on credit, in which trade credit is not allowed. Even the suppliers do not have the faith over the businessman that the businessman will refund the money or not? Because the person have less financial strength to perform their business activities. That is why sometimes we face the shortage of raw material, shortage of fund to perform their financial or operational activities, in which the suppliers are not ready to provide him raw material on credit, in which trade credit is not taking place. Commercial bill is also not taking place over here. That is why the businessman face shortage of fund to perform the operational activities in the organization. That is why it is very important. That is why it is a major problem which arises before the businessman, a small businessman who is ready to run his business in the economy, who is willing to perform his business activities in the economy. He has to identify these type of risks, these type of problem before starting the business. And the third one is all technique of production. As I told you people, the small businessman is not financially strong, so that he has to use the old technique of production to produce the goods for the customer. As the outdated technique is used, then the quality of product will also not up to the mark. Then the quality will be less of the product, so that the customer hesitate to purchase the product of that particular company. Because of the lack of finance, small businessman is not able to purchase the highly sophisticated technology to produce qualitative product, because no any financial institution, no any commercial bank, no any investors show their interest to invest their money in the small business. That is why small business face a lot of problems to be survive in the economy. The another one is marketing problems. Small business also face a lot of marketing problem because they do not get the market to sell out their product. Nowadays, maximum area of our country is covered by multinational companies and large companies, so that the small scale businessmen face a lot of problems in surviving, because they do not have the fixed number of customers for their product. Small scale businessmen do not get proper place to sell out their product even then. Maximum number of areas are covered by the large scale, in which they open their malls to sell out the product, but the small scale face a lot of problems in marketing or sell out their product in the Indian economy. Another one is personal problems. They also face a lot of personal problems in the organization, like they are not able to provide training to their workers, they are not able to get training from the others to perform the activities in the best possible manner, because they have limited fund to perform their activities. That is why they are unable to provide training to their workers. They are focusing over the production of goods, but they are not focusing over the training of people, training of workers those are working in the organization. If the people engage in getting the training, then ultimately they are faced to produce product for the customer, product for the company. That is why there are some personal problems are also present in the case of small business. The another one is imperfect organizational setup. In this imperfect organizational setup, the organization have different type of organizational structure to perform their activities. Just I am telling you people, generally they are following the functional structure because very limited number of workers are present, and also they are producing only one line of product. They are producing product with the help of labor intensive technique, because they are not self-sufficient to purchase highly sophisticated technology. That is why they are facing a lot of problems in surviving in the economy. That is why the number of small scale companies are reducing regularly, because of these following reasons. And in the next session, I'll tell you about the problems which may be reduced, which may be removed by the government because of these problems. That is why I am telling you people, it is an important topic, problems of a small business and how these problems may be solved. So just take the screenshot of it. Just go through this video again and again to get it properly, then only you will get it. So if you have any query, you may ask on my personal number. Just look at the green board. Okay students, it's enough for today and we will meet on the next session tomorrow. So have a nice day.